I'm James Oakley.
It's difficult to pick up with a chopstick.
Hi guys, hope you're all well today. Hi, good morning. Hello everyone. Okay, so today we're going to have what are we doing, girls?
Pancakes with toppings.
So the pancake topping challenge. So if you like this recipe, check out the description below and there'll be the full recipe down below. But to start off with, so here we've got the flour, the baking powder and sugar. We add the egg to it.
And then after we finish that, we will put the marshmallows, the sprinkles,
Okay, we
the
should stop
bananas,
telling.
the whipped cream, and the honey.
That's right, the girls are going to do the toppings. We have the pink team and we have the yellow team.
Why don't you introduce yourself first because
Yeah, while Daddy's making the pancake mix, you girls introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm the boss of this video because I'm the only one who wore the apron.
I see. What is your name?
Clara.
Clara, and it's Mommy.
Mommy,
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Mommy,
So very family.
Mommy is the second
And
one.
then here is James Oakley.
Who is really lucky.
Yeah,
I'm smart. Daddy promised to give us Daddy promised to get slime caca from the
Oh, did I really?
Yes, yesterday.
Okay, so here we go.
Finish off.
Here, I've already made the pancake mix. Do you want to have a stir?
And
Okay.
then meat and Celine is watching.
So there's the
Yeah.
flour, the baking
Do you want me or
powder, the
yellow
sugar, the egg, and the milk. So we make a nice thick pancake mix. You know? Okay, now I'm gonna add the pancake mix.
She's making so much of nice stuff.
Add a little
So we
bit
make
there.
baby pancake, the mini one, right?
Yeah,
Mini pancake.
mini pancakes.
Mini.
So we make like two.
Wait, when you said mini, it's like Minnie
Mini,
Mouse.
I mean mini, like small, not like Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, I heard you say Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse, that might be copyright, you know. Minnie Mouse, all rights reserved.
It's so
Oh, that's alright, it's all good. So the pancakes
I
are
will
inside
start
cooking.
I'll mix this when you're doing
Let's
that.
turn it up a little bit.
Mix what? Mix that.
So have you guys thought about what you're going to put in your pancakes yet?
Yes.
What toppings have you got there?
Awesome.
Well,
So, no, I'll
Introduce
just,
the
no, let
toppings.
me just say.
go on.
There's marshmallows,
Marshmallow.
rainbow marshmallows. There's banana. We
Banana.
have sprinkles,
Sprinkles.
whipped cream, Daddy made it, and
Honey.
honey.
Honey. Oh, honey, honey.
Honey mustard. Money, honey.
Honey, honey.
Everyone just cook this. The honey.
The bee makes the money to get more.
The honey is our syrup. So the honey is a syrup.
Yeah, the honey's the syrup, and it's
Yeah.
real honey
This
as
is
well.
real honey.
It's
From
not
Indonesia.
from Indonesia.
No, it's not.
Central of
It is.
Java.
It
Yes,
is from
it is.
Indonesia, sweetie. It's
Me,
real honey. It's not honey flavored syrup.
the bee makes the money to get more honey.
No, the bee makes the honey to get the money.
I thought they were spending the money to get more honey.
Alright, let's see. It's ready to flip.
Be careful
Oh,
of the
oh.
microphone. I see it. It's ready to flip.
It's ready to flip.
You put on my plate.
No,
Now the other turn.
I've only cooked one side, you see. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, perfecto.
Perfection. Perfection.
Let's go for the next one. I'll tell you, this non-stick pan is a little bit sticky.
Because you didn't wipe it before you put the video.
I did. I put oil in it, but
Of
maybe I
course.
didn't get it hot enough.
Yeah.
Here we go. First batch of pancakes are ready. One for you. One for you. Another one for you. And this Clara's so small and cute. She can be a little cutie. Look how cute it is.
I'm the boss.
You are the boss.
I'm the boss.
Okay. So
Okay.
set it off first.
I will cook a little bit more.
What?
Okay, that's it. So
Topping.
we've made the pancakes and now it's topping time.
Topping
Right,
time.
who's going to go first? Right, who would like some whipped cream?
I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah, you can put it yourself. Alright, get a nice dollop of whipped cream on there. More. Just
Your
dot
hand.
it.
Oh, your hand. You just have to get
Watch
out.
out for your scrunchie. Wow, there's a lot of whipped cream.
Oh my god!
Wow.
I'm gonna make like a volcano from the.
Just kind of plop it on. That's it. Let me help you. Ready?
I'm doing it
That's
myself.
a lot.
Wow, that's a lot.
Right now
No,
let's.
wait, there's a bigger back.
It's a big one.
Okay, my turn.
All right, now let Celine take the whipped cream.
Can I have a spoon so I can
Go
spread it
ahead.
out?
No need. Right now what do you want?
Can I get it by myself?
Let's get the marshmallow. One pink one. One green one. One yellow one. That's it. I think 3 is okay. Now what do you want? One more marshmallow. Wow. Would you like some marshmallows, Celine?
Can I put 2 flavors of the sprinkles?
2 types of spread. Which ones would you like?
This one,
The ball
the ball,
Ah,
and
that's
this one.
pretty.
and like the animals, right? Okay, let's open up the ball one first.
I'm gonna do this.
Go on then. Wow, this can be like sugar overload. Okay, that's enough. Right, and now this one.
Don't. This is what I'm talking about with
Okay, that's enough. Now, Celine, what kind of sprinkles would you like,
the
Celine?
First one's this one's second one.
It's like aeroplane.
Yeah, because
Would you like some banana? Go on and put some banana on.
I can't pull it out.
Wow. Yeah, enough.
Enough, Celine, right?
Banana.
And then, what one would you like next?
This one. Banana.
What's that?
Wow.
No, it's the second one.
It's like modern art, you know? Oh,
Honey.
it's like some honey. Now, I will help. Oh, I will help you to do the honey. You like some banana? Celine's diving straight in. Right. I'll help you. Otherwise, it'll pour out really
Because
quickly.
that one is
Yeah.
very sticky.
Okay. It's
Your
very
hand.
it's very sticky, Clara. You say when. You tell me when to stop.
Look at even.
Ready. Whoa.
Alright, that's enough.
I didn't say to stop.
I know you didn't, but that's too much. Otherwise, right now for you, Celine.
Let me go get my fork. Ooh, okay, that's enough. That's enough. I don't want like so much honey.
Wow, look at that! Look how beautiful! Wait, let's take a picture.
Beautiful. This is a work of
And now, so this is the pink team, Team Clara. And
You
this
mean
is the
team-
yellow team,
No, Team Clara and Daddy.
Clara and Daddy. And this is the yellow
Yellow
team.
team.
Wow, they look amazing. Well done, girls.
Hi everyone. Today we're gonna eat our pancakes.
So how do they taste, girls? So now we're on to the tasting part. Looks good.
Because it is good.
You haven't even tasted the pancake yet. Here, Celine, why don't you take a spoon?
I guess I could even more whipped cream.
How is it, girls?
The whipped cream's like milk one.
So, You want to say goodbye to everyone? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.